Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine of your Google Chrome browser. So go to Chrome, press the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. On the left tab, go to Search Engine. In this bar, you can select any of the search engines that is installed in your Chrome browser. So my default search engine is Google. I can select Bing. Let's try. As you can see, by default, it is searching in Microsoft Bing now. Okay guys, that's it. This is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.